In this video, Vladimir London, a Life Drawing Academy tutor, will explain how to spot mistakes when drawing cubes. Here's the rule. A circle can be inscribed in a square, so it touches all four sides of that square in the middle of each side. We can use this rule to spot mistakes in cube drawings. Here's a drawing of a cube from a two-point perspective. Is it a cube or not? Let's check out. If we inscribe a perfectly horizontal ellipse, this circle in perspective touches only two sides. These points are marked in green. The points in red do not touch the cube footprint sides. So it is not a cube, but cuboid because its footprint is not a square but a rectangle. Now let's build a perfect square footprint. We begin with the ellipse and draw vanishing lines in a two-point perspective around that circle. This is a perfect square in perspective because an inscribed ellipse touches all four sides in the middle. Now, I will build the rest of a cube. Four vertical edges go strictly vertical, and the top side is also a perfect square in the same perspective. But is it a cube? To check, I will use the width of the inscribed circle. It is marked here in red. As you can see, this dimension does not reach to the top plane. There's a gap between this red line and the point in the center, so it is not a cube because its height is greater than the width. To learn more how to draw in perspective, take the Life Drawing Academy course.
Do you want to know the secrets of drawing realistic figures and portraits from life? Do you want to improve your figurative drawing skills? In Life Drawing Academy, you will discover all you need to know about how to draw human figures and portraits the right way. You will learn the must-know information, including classical canons of human body proportions, proportions of a head and face, how to draw recognizable portraits, how to draw male and female figures, how to draw hands and feet, as well as how to draw draperies and clothed figures and much more. To see if this academy is right for you, check out our free video lessons. You'll find a free video lesson on classical human body proportions, a free lesson on how to draw a female figure from life, a free video on how to draw hands, and a demonstration of different gesture sketching techniques. It only takes 2 clicks to get your free access. See you after you subscribe.